Hey, Michi here. We are back in Zittau and we're testing today a mixture of 50% straw and 50% natural fiber. I am since 15 years in gasification. What makes me fascinating on the gasification is that every combustion process, for example, is also gasification plus burning. And the nice thing here, what we are trying to achieve in this system is only doing the gasification part and being able to use the gas in separate way. It can be combustion, it can be a fuel cell, it can be an engine. And also with difficult feedstocks, by separating the gasification and the combustion into two steps, we are able to control the combustion and having, without big filters and things, a very clean flue gas. So we're starting with the fuel tank, where we're filling in the fuels. In the fuel tank is integrated an auger. This auger is transporting the fuel into the gasifier. It is controlled by a laser which is looking into the gasifier and controlling the fill level. And the fill level drops down to a certain limit, then the auger is filling in more feedstock. This is the gasifier, the feedstock coming in by the back, and in the gasifier we have three different zones. The oxidization zone, where it is very hot, up to 1200 degrees, where the oxygen burns down the gas before the pyrolysis gas. And after this zone, we're having the reduction zone. In this zone, there is no more oxygen available, and all the flue gas from the oxidization zone is converted into CO and hydrogen. In the oxidization zone is, after the oxidization process, CO2 and water. And this CO2 and water will be reduced at high temperatures over 800 degrees in combination with charcoal to CO and hydrogen, which are burnable components. And these are the main components of our gas, which is coming out down here in the bottom. A big part underneath the gasifier is the ash bin here. There is falling in all the solid particles which are coming out of the grate. And the gas then leaves here by this pipe and goes over to the filter. This is this green box over here. Here we're filtering at high temperatures above 400 degrees Celsius the gas and cleaning it from all the small particles and all the dust. The gas is leaving the filter on the top and then goes directly over without any other cleaning to the fuel cell. What I just explained to you is what every normal fixed bed downdraft gasifier has. What is special on our system is that we can run not only wood or these things, these kind of feedstocks, but we are able to run feedstock which has a very low ash melting temperature and which is making clinkers then in the gasifier with these high temperatures. But therefore we have a poker system which is going into the gasifier from time to time and disturbing the clinkering process and also moving the existing clinkers forward to the grate. Then in the bottom of the gasifier we have a water-cooled grate which is able to break down the cold and hard clinkers and can take it out from the gasifier. After a long day here in the lab, and I'm really surprised how stable the machine was running with this feedstock mixture. We had 50% straw and 50% natural fiber with epoxy resin, and I'm really surprised that the machine could handle it so well.